Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on Netflix weekly on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Netflix app. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.